And welcome back to Flexible Games, where we are playing Captain of Industry. Okay, I built some more housing. We can upgrade to housing. I'm going to hold off on that for now. I'm a little bit worried about my food situation, but it is what it is. I built another electronics maker here, and I'm not feeding it at all, and I have truck truck import is on, but I was hoping they prioritized the priority one export here rather than dump out priority over here. So it's unfortunate. Oh yeah, I turned truck export. That's what I did over here. I turned the truck export off because I'm trying to force the shipyard to be empty. So I also built another concrete mixer over here with a storage for cement. And again, this has a much lower priority, and the truck export is off. So they are trying to empty this out. I had almost 500 cement in here, and now it's less. I had to build a little bit of a sand situation over here. I dug just a little bit in the ground, and you can see as you dig, the sand really goes crazy. Okay, really goes crazy. So we want to try to prevent a lot of that. And what we're going to do is we're going to build retaining walls. Oh, I keep thinking that's rotate. Man, it is really hard to see where those go. I want to try to line it up. So that 4 square there, that is our limit. I'm just going to keep this basic design here. So right on the outside of that, I think is a good spot. Right there. I mean, I think that's right. I'm not 100% certain. These are not cheap, by the way. So I want to try to prevent the wall from caving in over here. And I want to try to prevent it over here as well. So we're going to rotate this around. I have no idea what is the front and what is the back. I have just no idea. But we're going to just wing it here. And actually cancel all of that. We need a corner. We need a corner here. Yeah, I have no idea which way is which here. If there is a right way or a wrong way. I mean, it kind of looks the same either way you look at it. Sloped the same at the very least. Keep forgetting to hold shift. Q. So that'll help prevent the cave-in as I slope down. Ooh, yeah, I need to do this sideways thing here too. This is a lot of concrete, which is why I wanted to do this now. Now, do we want... I think we're gonna want a corner here, a short, Well, there's just a little bitty one. Okay, well. And then perhaps maybe something like that. Because we're going to go pretty deep with this. And then a couple more shorts. Like so. So I want to unpause these and these to get those started right away. Oh, yeah, I know I'm on the outside there and I'm on the inside. Yeah, it is what it is. So can we build a few of these with Unity? Use a little bit of that Unity. So that is going to use a ton of concrete. Tons of concrete. And now, when we dig down further on the ramp, we should... Oh, wow, that used a ton of iron, too. Wow. I thought I unitied it up over here. Quick deliver. Oh, I don't have... I bet you I don't have... Yeah, these disappeared. I see how it is. I really want this one to finish. Priority 1 on that one, please. Okay, I may need to start this baby back up again. Yeah, let's do that. Get this thing running smooth. As far as my slag goes, I redid this area over here and I added, so we have the slag pick up there. I just added another one of these that grinds up the slag. Like, it's nice and close. It eliminates having trucks come all the way over here. And as a result, I turned off their slag crushing. So now we just make gravel over here. We don't really have a use for it yet. I could enable this to get me some gravel. I'm eventually going to run out of cement here, which means I would need another one of these. So Lord only knows how I'm going to actually do that. Can I? I can. Excellent. Okay. So I can just pull it off of this coal there and dump it into another cement maker. And I've got both of these boosted with Unity, so they're really fast. All right. And obviously I've added some water over here because I want to add a water facility in here. We're going to unpause that. That takes 30 construction parts. Because I'm going to pull some of this water off of there. And I can always add more water. Water is going to be one of those resources that we're going to want plenty of. So we're going to do truck import off, truck export off, and obviously we're going to have to deal with wastewater. So let's first get the water going. What is going on here? No. Okay, just gonna go up. Something like that. Make sure that's getting plenty of stuff. All right, all those are built. Excellent, excellent. Now, this is done digging. So it's reached its point. What is going on here? There we go. I want to go down. Well, how far down do these go? That's really hard to determine. Five. Yeah, that's really hard to determine, actually. Does this actually tell me? Walls will collapse in 5 units height. Okay, so 5 units is the be-all, end-all. So that is +3, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then flat from there. So we're going to do another retaining wall there and there. We're going to unpause both of those so they can be delivered. And then when we dig, so that's +3, that's -2. Yeah, that's 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then flat. So that is really hard to see. Okay, so we're going to line that red up with that line there, right? Yeah, I think that's high enough. I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope that that is high enough. As we dig into the ground there. Got to be very careful with where we dig and how fast we dig. Okay, so now we have water, and these guys now have water, which really boosted my Unity. So I can actually boost a few buildings here. We have not a whole lot of slag coming in. I might want to... for some reason, we're really using a lot of mechanical parts. And I also researched the next level of lab. So this is going to cost 45, and it accepts, you see the research thingy here, lab equipment. Lab equipment, I believe, is a new thing that we have to make in here. Yes, mechanical parts and electronics. So these and these. So we're going to set up a system here. And this is going to be lab equipment. Lab equipment. How are we doing on this? We got to get this empty. This food is good. All these guys should have water. Excellent. Now we need to get rid of the waste. I think the easiest way of doing that. This is getting pretty spaghettified in here. Is we're gonna try to sneak it right under this. I'm not trying to join. Ah, I didn't mean to do that. What is going on here? Why are you derpy? Okay. Build all that right away. That way my wastewater doesn't get all maxed out in here. And I am assuming that we're going to be able to, you know, do something with that eventually. Maybe treat it, get some resources out of it, something like that. All right, slag is not doing so hot. Why are we... Do I need to ramp up production? Or do we need to start really processing gravel? All right, so this should be emptying. Granted, it's going to initially dump quite a lot of sewage out of there. You can see it running right there. Rubber is doing okay. I'm not sure why slag is... I guess we used quite a lot. Yeah, we're... It's pretty crazy how much we're using. Alright, and we've also unlocked irrigated farms. But I wanted to make sure we had enough space for this. And I might want to move these anyway. They're not ideally situated in there. You know, this is, you know, a map that I had never played on, so I'm just sort of, I'm still getting the feel for it. I want to flatten these mountains. And then build out my island a little bit. Now, if we build this out over here, I'm not going to be able to grow anything because it'll be all like rock and gravel and all that kind of stuff. But this is definitely a source of rock that I can get mulched into gravel that I can then add to these. This is already added. So we have the option of pumping gravel into both of these as well. And this is still going strong. How many... Okay, I think the ship emptied out. Oh, it is sort of empty. Wow, it's taking a while to get all that stuff out. So gravel is rock. I think this... I mean... This is almost full. I can just clear this. And I want to build a couple lab 2s. Now, this is where the lab stuff is going to be made. Okay. So, I want the lab 2s. Wherever they may be. No. There they are. Let's try to line these up. Wow. That must have like the most gentle slope of all time. Look at that. Terrain too high, terrain too low. Round and round and round you go. I want to delete this. I'm going to delete this. I want to build the labs out here. And then we're going to build more farmage. Irrigated farms this time. So water in there. I don't like how that's set up. Yeah, potatoes and veggies. Terrain too high. So water and fertilizer have to come in the back. And these take up 4 squares. Four by 3. We're going to build that. We're going to flip it. Something like that. Unpause. And then we're going to need to build a ton of water collectors. Or, let's look. We have groundwater over here. So we could do a groundwater pump and then a pipe over to here. So let's build storage, fluid storage. I don't think the this is going to mine too much. Okay, so this is going to be veggies, green manure. I don't have any green manure. Taters and empty. This is going to be taters, empty, veggies, empty. Okay. So now, you see we have water over here. I'm going to see about getting... I know we had... There it is, groundwater pump. How much water does this? 8 every 10 seconds. Let's see if we can't line up a few of these. 1, 2. Let's clear all those trees, please. And then some pipage. Like so. And then I've been told by many people that these things can be put into, was it loose storage? Was it loose storage? I don't think it was unit storage. I think it was loose storage. But anyway, we have buildings. So we're gonna go there. And there. Each one of these is 45 construction parts. we out of... Oh, yeah, we're out of Mark IIs. Wow. I might want to beef that up a little bit. Okay, missing input. Well, I'm fine with that. Maintenance. Oh, these require a lot of maintenance. How about these? Yeah, these don't require maintenance. So if I build conveyor belts, they're just going to use these things up. So we'll utilize trucks for now. How many so research speed 4 every 60 seconds. 3 point. Wow, that is not that is not as much as I was hoping. Certainly not the big boost I was hoping for. Those are not cheap. All right, so we have food on the way. We have water pumped out. Now, I'm not sure if we can build a pipe system through there. So we're going to connect. Okay, maybe not. Oh, I was off by 1. Oops. Yeah, and I'm off by 1 again because reasons. I'm a little less concerned about that now. Okay, and then this should be able to link right up with that. Now, I doubt. Well, maybe I was. Yeah. Oh, those. Oh, yeah. Those just use regular road construction parts. That's right. Pipes are available right away. All right. Well, we have ourselves an irrigated farm. As soon as these get done, holy cow, those are slow. Let's get those built here, people. Build them, build them, build them, build them, build them. There you go. So there's quite a lot of reserves in there. Like, how come we don't have a whole lot of there's a window. Windows are not very frequent in here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Beautiful. All right. So that should help stabilize our crop production. And I can always add more eventually. Yeah, once these little trees are done, I'll start taking these trees away. All right. Now all we need is some fertilizer, and that's a whole different monster. It looks like... Are we done? Oh yeah, we don't have anywhere to dump things and stuff. So what I'm thinking is we can start doing that over here. Yeah, we can start doing that over here. Getting ready sort of to square this off and start digging into these rocks here. So we want to dump out to there. And what I'm going to do is create a mine wherever it might be. There it is. So we're going to place this guy here. You don't actually even need to build this. But we're going to remove rock, slag, crushed. So dirt and waste can be dropped here. Notify waste. So bunch of material can go in here. And this guy will control the dump. Even when he's not built, he'll control the dump. We have another excavator ready to rock and roll here. How are we doing on our sand? Oh, glorious. Those retaining walls are working. Now we just need a more consistent supply of rock, which is what the intention of that other excavator was, to start digging into this rock. Okay, let me slow down. It's getting a little fast here. Okay, so you are good to go. How are we doing on our maintenance? I did build another maintenance shed here. I'm not sure how even we are. Wow. What is the short? Wow. Okay. So electronics. Well, I think we might. Yeah. Well, we gotta take it from there here. Good times. Oh, still not enough stuff. Finally, there's room in the thing again. All right, but that's gonna have to do it for this episode, and I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.